welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Okay, so I prepped for today's video already because we are going to be doing some flower nails. I am so excited. I'm going to be using some Saviland Acrygel. They're two different shades, so I wanted to go with like pinks and nudes because I didn't want to do what everyone else I see does. Like it's either a muddy white or like some type of sheer white, you know, kind of like milk bath like. I just wanted something super natural and very beautiful and elegant, so I went in with my two nude colors. I did get these flowers, a mix from like AliExpress and Amazon. I don't remember which ones are which, but I just love the different shades of flowers and I love how they all came out at the end. I am doing kind of like a marble, and I didn't decide to do the marble until the index finger, so my thumb is kind of like a little different than the rest, but nonetheless it looks all so beautiful. I am going in with one bead, and the reason why I do that is because the bead was big enough for the whole nail to be covered. Now I didn't want the thickness to be too thick because I am capping these with the lighter nude, so I just did a thin bead for the whole entire nail. Then when the polygel was wet, I inserted my flowers and placed them and kind of played around with the placements, but I wasn't trying to go for like, oh, this finger is, you know, pink, this finger is purple. I just went sporadically with these flowers and just really messed around with the colors and with the different shapes. I just wanted flower nails, like real flower nails. But they came out so cute. Once you place them, you do want to cure it, and well, first you want to pat everything down, then you want to cure it, and then after you're done, you clear cap it. This is where I started to do the marbling. I went in with my nude pink and my very sheer light pink, and I just love the way they came out. It wasn't just, you know, like a clear in the background. It was really like a good base for my flowers, and I love the contrast of it all. It was just, I love these nails, honestly. Now, I did read something about Acrygel, that it's basically just like the technical term for polygel. Polygel was actually marketed and used by a specific company, and they trademarked polygel. So I don't know, what do you guys think? What is Acrygel to you? I mean, it feels like the same consistency as polygel for me, but I really loved working with it. So just let me know in the comments below what y'all think. I love these flowers. They came out so cute. Sort of the same process for all of the nails. I just wanted a nice marbling in the back. I put my flowers inside, mixed it up. Like, look at this beautiful leaf. Like, I mean, it's not a leaf, but you know what I mean. It's like a flower petal, a much bigger one. Then after, I just like grabbed my brush, some slip, and placed everything correctly, and then I cured that, and then I clear capped it. And what I mean by clear cap is just the lighter shade of the two. So I love the way they came out. I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy my application, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. nails looked when I shaped, file, and buffed them. And y'all, I almost left them like this. Like, how dope would have this looked if I would have just put a matte coat on? Like, just, I didn't think, but I was just like, you know what, let me put my shiny top coat and let me call it a day. Either way, I think they would have looked poppin'. I think next time I definitely will do a matte coat. I have a matte coat, I just never use it, so I need a look with a matte coat. Send me some ideas so I can use a matte coat. Anyhow, I put my top coat, I cured that for 60 seconds, and y'all already know, put that cuticle oil on. You don't want no crusty cuticles, and you're done. And this didn't take me that long, surprisingly. It just took me about an hour, so I think that hour was worth it, because look how so beautiful these came out. I love them so much. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. I love you all. Y as always, nos vemos en la próxima.